Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can access all the QuickBook features freely and without any hassle to start learning QuickBooks or to see how you have to use this software like that. So let's see how we can do this thing. Generally, if we come to quickbooks.com, then we'll find this type of page, and over here if we come plans and pricing, then it will give us different options to buy or to use the trial version. So for buying, there is option like it will give like 3 months like discount, something like that. So I'm not going to interested to buy these items. I'm going to check this trial option, and if we press this button, it will give us the trial for 30 days. So generally to learn this QuickBook, it will take some time. It will take more than 30 days. Or suppose you are working with something and you want to test some of the feature of QuickBook, then you can come and try it without losing your data or something. So for that case, this accessing to QuickBook will be really very beneficial. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to come Google, and here if you type many things, it will not come, like QuickBooks Online like demo account, something like that, it will not come. So you have to search by typing some keyword that is called QBO. QBO means QuickBook, Q for quick, BO, QuickBook. Then you have to type test, then drive. Then you have to hit enter key, and once we hit enter key, then we will find this type of thing. And here one of the option is test drive QuickBooks Online. We just need to click here. I'm going to open in a new tab, and then it will open like this way. And here you will find all the details about test drive QuickBook Online, but that is not the URL. So to access that URL, we have to search from this page. But before going to there, I'm going to read couple of lines so that you will understand what is the purpose of test drive QuickBooks Online. So you can take a test drive of QuickBooks Online by using our sample company demo. So definitely that means it's a demo account or demo QuickBook thing for a company, right? It's a gateway to drive it and experiment with features and options you might not feel comfortable trying to your own QuickBooks. Okay, that means you can test couple of features or options by using this line, this site. You don't have to worry about your data or your own real QuickBooks. So feel free to explore and experiment all you like, since the demo system does not save any of the changes you make. So whatever you will do, this is for the time being. After few minutes or few hours later, you will see everything gone. So basically you can do whatever you like, and many people around the world, they are doing many things to learn this software. And here it is mentioning for countries that offer multiple versions of QuickBooks Online, it's a QuickBooks Online Plus account. Okay, so like that way it gives us the details. Now let's see how we can access this thing. We have to scroll down a little bit, and then we'll find the link to access. So there are two links to access the QuickBook. One is from United States, and the URL is QBO, that means quickbook.intuit.com/redirect test drive. So this is the link where we can access the QuickBook. There is another one like QuickBook Online Advanced. This is also available, but there is a drawback for this thing. So I will prefer this option because this version has everything. The drawback is that here you will not find the smart reporting enabled. So if you use this thing, you'll find all the features, but you'll see that smart reporting is not available. Okay. And so far I saw, I worked with many companies to set up their account, and I found most of them, they are using like regular version. Very few they use advanced or pro versions like that. Okay, because most of the companies are small, but if it is big company, definitely they are using like higher end product. Okay, so basically to test this QuickBook, I prefer to access this link. So you can click here and it will open the URL in a new browser, and here you will find a security verification check. You just need to check this checkbox, and then you have to press the continue button to start testing this QuickBook. And once you click here, then it will bring this type of page. And here for the first time when it will be loaded, it will take like 5 to 10 seconds to load, and after that it will be free. And here you are seeing everything is there, right? So sales, expenses, then reports, payroll, employees, contractor or compensation, time, everything is there. Okay, and if you scroll down right side, you will see everything is there. and if you want to check the sales, you can check sales, all sales, and it will give us all the details. Everything is there, and it also has graph. So whatever the paid version software you will get, everything is there, and here you can do everything. Like if you want to create a new transaction under sales, you can click here, and then it will give us the option which one you want to do, like invoice, payment. For example, I am creating payment thing, and then it will give us all the option with the attachment also, like that way. Basically you can manually do this thing. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily access the QuickBook demo test drive account freely to test the application, or to learn the QuickBook, or to test a couple of features of QuickBooks instead of actually damaging our own real life data. So as you came to this video, today I also came to another video, not video, basically another URL, which is very helpful probably for some of you guys. I'm going to show you that thing. So I'm going to go back to QuickBook, not QuickBook thing, basically google.com, and then once I am here, basically I'm going to type QuickBook, then time drive, or test drive demo. For example, I just typed it. Okay, sorry, it is not the video. Basically you have to come down, and we will find test drive QuickBooks Online. No, not this one, this one, test drive QuickBooks time sign in. So we just need to click here, and then we have to open it in the browser. And here's the same way, we can click here, and then we can press the continue button to check the timesheet related stuff. So this site has on drawback. So far I saw, it's not drawback, basically it will take some time, like 30 seconds. When you came to this website, it will take like 30 seconds to load the entire thing, and here you will see everything is there, like time tracking system, like whoever is working, whenever he is coming and going out, like that, everything is there. So this software, today I just, for the first time I found it, like QuickBook time demo account. Here you can also test all the feature of QuickBook time demo, but I am not too much familiar with this software or application, but as I found it today, so I'm going to share through this YouTube video, as I created that video for QuickBook demo account to access and test. That's why I'm showing you this thing. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, please put in the comment section.